Tired of watching videos on your phone's small screen? No worries. Today I'm going to show you how to easily share your phone screen directly to your TV. Whether you're watching movies, showing photos to friends, or giving a presentation, screen sharing on a smart TV can make everything more enjoyable and convenient. All it takes is just a few taps. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new tutorial I upload. Let's get started. So first, open the Control Center on your phone by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Then, make sure that both your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This step is essential in order to share your phone screen to the TV. Next, look for this small icon in the Control Center that looks like two overlapping rectangles. If you don't see it, here's what you need to do. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen, then tap on Add a Control at the bottom. This will open a list of extra features you can add to your Control Center. Find the screen mirroring option and tap on it. Or, if you can't find it in the list, just tap the search bar at the top, type in screen mirroring, and then tap to add it to your Control Center. Once that's done, go back to the Control Center and tap on the screen mirroring icon. You'll see a list of available smart TVs you can connect to. Tap on your TV, and then enter the code that appears on the TV screen. After that, your iPhone display will show up on the big screen. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.